Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, August 14th. Junior high students interested in running for Student Council President should see Miss Noble in room 225 for information. Forms are due today. Do you want to make a positive impact in the community? Do you want to help people doing good around the world? Join Tri-High-Y. We are a service club that helps here in Paoli and who helps raise money for groups tackling challenging problems facing people all over the world. Come check us out at the club fair. Bring your ideas. Anyone interested in practicing in theatrical productions this year need to be sure to sign up for the drama club at the club fair. If you aren't on the list, you won't get emails. If you don't check for those emails, you will miss out on important information and opportunities for lots of fun. Lunch tomorrow will include turkey and gravy on the side with mashed potatoes. If you would like to request music for the Booster Club Friday Jams, check your emails. You must use the link form in your email. I'm Kaulen and that's your afternoon news. Have an amazing day.